That is Rihanna's house. Ah, very nice. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. It is the last vlog from Barbados. It is kind of bittersweet. So this morning, my friend Emma found this amazing guide. He's called Turtle-tastic Tours. And with him, you get sort of an intimate experience with the turtles. It was a group of the 3 of us, and we went snorkeling with turtles. And oh my god, you guys, the turtle was so cute. Oh, and we were hanging out right above the shipwreck, and we were exploring the shipwreck. We saw so many different kinds of fish. Imagine waking up and doing this first thing in the morning. I mean, it just blows my mind that this is like right now even real life. But anyways, we hung out with turtles, and straight after that we went surfing. So in terms of this vlog, right, I have saved the best for last. We still haven't been to the capital city, which is Bridgetown, and we are going there right now. We do have a curfew imposed as of lately, as a few days ago. The curfew during weekdays is 9 p.m. so we all have to be back home by 9 p.m. but because we are in a resort, we can still be within the resort, which means we can use the pool if we wanted to. And Sunday the curfew is 6 p.m. I mean, can you imagine?
Welcome to this vlog.
Would you like to introduce yourself to the
My
viewers?
name is Jack, and I will be your tour guide today.
Oh, you'll be the tour guide?
I'll be driving the wagon.
That being said, let's go. We found like a main market street in Bridgetown. To be fair, I was trying to find this the entire time we were here. We stumbled on it completely accidentally. If you come into this street, you can really feel the vibe of the island. But mainly around here, as you can see behind me, it's mostly people selling stuff from shoes, veggies and fruits and like all kinds of stuff, honestly. This city is fun. This island is really fun. I don't want to go. I don't want to go home. Jack, do you want to go home? No. No one wants to go home. Everyone, this is Nancy. Nancy, this is everyone. Would you recommend for people coming to Barbados to visit Bridgetown?
Probably not, no. Drive through it, you know, what you see when you drive through. But that said, you know, we only saw it for a few minutes.
Yeah, but I think driving through it, you get a general idea of like what the city is like.
I think if we had a guide.
Yeah.
Because I'm sure there was really cool spots and stuff.
And stories, yeah. Yeah, if we had a guide, I think we would have much more fun than just 2 of us trying to figure out where everything is. I actually found where Rihanna lives, or where... Do we think Rihanna's home? Where is it? Oh, there it is! That is Rihanna's house! Ah! Dude, we actually found it! It is such a cute street! Oh, see, that's it! That's the house! I think that these people who live here must get so annoyed with everyone coming to photograph. I'm surprised there's no one here actually. What do you think of Rihanna's house?
It's gorgeous.
It's so cute, right?
Very cool.
Oh, it says our diamond. Oh, how cute. What does it say? Welcome to Rihanna Drive, my home. My whole life was shaped on this very road. I was just a little island girl, riding bikes, running around barefoot and flying kites in the cemetery, but I had big dreams. Thank you to my family, my country and the people of Westbury New Road. You will forever be a part of who I am, and for that I am honored to have this place named after me. lobster tacos yesterday. So good. What was your favorite restaurant that we went to?
Champers was great.
Get the lobster tacos. Oh my god. And crab crepe.
I really like the Tides, but then I got the chicken nuggets, so...
Fish nuggets.
Yeah.
It's a little bit fancy, but it's a cool spot.
It was really good.
Yeah.
Pier 1 was fantastic. I'd go back.
Yeah, Pier 1. It's a restaurant on a little island. Really good. If you like acai bowls, then Epic Surf Cafe, the best acai bowl I've ever had. And I've had 2 in my life, so. Restaurant recommendations are Pier 1, Nishi, the Tides, Champers. Ooh, my favorite one when I stayed here, Calabash Cafe. So if you go here, try to request this table that's on the beach basically, and you get this gorgeous view. And my favorite dish here, fettuccine alfredo pasta. That is to die for. I sort of wanted to go there today. But for today, we picked a different spot. We actually got invited to this local place called My Friend's Place Bar. And this guy, Dario, that invited us, we actually met on a cruise yesterday. It's this guy. Yes, so he invited us to this place. That's where he works. So I think we're gonna hang out with some Americans that we met yesterday as well. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. I have no idea, to be honest. I'm just rolling, going with the flow. Where is my fiance? See my fiance? Me neither.
You know I love you so. Oh, what a thing to do. Look how we shine for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
What we saw yesterday was Rihanna's childhood home, which is where she grew up. Where we are right now is where she currently owns an apartment, and it is the address 1 Sandy Lane. She's made it a long way, y'all, huh? Simon Cowell and Rihanna both have apartments here, and we were told yesterday by Dario that Simon Cowell donates every year to the animal shelter. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna go down to the beach in front of her house, in front of the apartment, and see the building from behind. So right now I'm basically walking in the backyard of Rihanna's apartment building. This is their private exit to the beach. In a little while I'll show you Rihanna's balcony. We can't see much, but what we can see is Rihanna's balcony, which I am pretty sure is that one on the top floor that has 6 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, and I think it goes for about $15 million. This building is by far one of the most beautiful buildings on the island. Did you see those guys waving at the roof? Cute. I just came back home and I realized I didn't show you this apartment. So I'm gonna show you this apartment. We are currently standing in the kitchen area that is, believe it or not, been used. It's a modern kitchen with everything you need, a huge fridge, and it has this great breakfast bar. I mean, the whole apartment is basically in this color, which is my favorite color, I'll have you know. And from the kitchen you can follow me into this living area. I mean, if they asked me how do you want your apartment to look like when you're on the ocean, this is what I would say. They completely nailed it. And then there's a dining area. I'll take you out to the balcony. Ooh. This is our view. We have a pool straight in front of our room, but we also have 3 other pools. So there's 4 pools in total. Okay, now we are in the hallway area of the apartment. Here is where you actually enter the apartment. And on our right here, we have 3 doors. The front one is just a toilet with a sink. The toilet behind us. Back to where we began. On this side, we have a dryer and a washing machine that is gonna get used, but I've also used it about 4 times since we came here. This other side, it's just like a storage area, nothing special. And now I'll take you to the bedroom. So as we walk here, these are all closets. So at the moment I don't have a lot because I sent some of the stuff with Jack. There's a safe in here, which always comes in handy. And the bedroom area, which is just so gorgeous. The way how bright it is, I cannot describe you how good it feels to just hang out in a room that is so bright. And here we have another bathroom. We have his and her sink. We've got a toilet and a really nice shower that is actually really huge. This is our last vlog from Barbados, and next one is gonna be in New York. If you like it, you can support it by hitting the like button and subscribing to my channel. Other than that, thank you for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in a New York, baby.